Hey everybody, Ant here. Let's see what we're making today. Vegan sausage potato pancakes. Let's go. Now you're already familiar with how I make vegan sausage, so we're gonna chop that up. And then we're gonna throw it right into our handy dandy mixing bowl. Why such a big bowl? Because we're gonna add a whole bunch of other stuff. Like potatoes, well duh. Tofu, sour cream, chives, breadcrumbs, flour, we're not finished, lemon juice, apples, onions, seasoned salt and black pepper. Now we're finished. Observe the non-stick skillet. Get our pancakes in and let them roll on medium-high heat for 2 minutes on the first sides, 1 minute 45 seconds on the other sides. And do not be discouraged if they slide around a lot. That's just the nature of potato pancakes. Now, just before you pull them out of the skillets, we're going to sprinkle them with some cheese. There we are. And I like to serve my potato pancakes with a little serving of homemade cinnamon applesauce. I'll show you how to make that one day. Pour a little bit of the applesauce out. Come on. You know, it's been almost a year since I've made potato pancakes. I'm not exactly sure why, especially because they're this delicious. And I know potato pancakes are generally served as a side, but this is almost enough to eat as a meal all in itself. Okay, that's gonna do it. And the recipe for these potato pancakes are in the usual place. Thanks for being with me, and I'll see you again soon.